Managing multiple Kubernetes clusters feeling like a full-time job? What if I told you there's a tool that makes Kubernetes management as easy as clicking buttons? Today, we're diving into Rancher, the ultimate Kubernetes management platform that's revolutionizing how teams deploy and manage containerized applications.
Let's start with the basics. Rancher is an open-source Kubernetes management platform that gives you centralized control over multiple Kubernetes clusters across any infrastructure. Centralized multi-cluster management. Manage all your clusters from a single pane of glass. Simplified deployment. Easy cluster provisioning with RKE, K3s, or managed cloud services. Built-in security. Role-based access control, policies, and compliance tools. Application catalog, one-click deployment of Helm charts and custom applications. Monitoring and alerting, integrated with Prometheus and Grafana. Think of Rancher as the mission control for your Kubernetes universe.
Before we deploy, let's talk about Rancher's requirements. Here's what you need. Operating system, Ubuntu 18.04 or higher, or Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or CentOS 7 or higher.
CPU, 4 cores minimum, 8 plus recommended for production. RAM, 8 GB minimum, 16 GB plus recommended.
For learning purposes, you can use a local VM with 4 GB of RAM, but production environments should follow the recommended specs. Now for the exciting part, deploying Rancher. But first, let's see Rancher deployment architecture. Rancher architecture consists of a Rancher server located in your administrative zone and agents that run on your clusters. Rancher server includes all the software components used to manage the entire Rancher deployment. Rancher agents, or cluster agents, initiate connection with Rancher server. It allows Rancher server to contact Managed Clusters Kubernetes API. Statistics, cluster health, as well as user access are proxied through this connection. Now I am using my Hyper-V environment to deploy Rancher server with 3 nodes: Rancher server, Rancher node 1, Rancher node 2, and Rancher node 3. Let's start to install Rancher server. Log on to Rancher server using SSH. First, prepare the system by update Ubuntu by type this command, sudo update. Then wait until update finish. This command updates the list of available software packages and their versions from your system's software repositories, like an App Store catalog. Second thing, install Kubernetes cluster with K3s by using this command. This command installs K3s, a lightweight Kubernetes distribution, as a high-availability control plane node.
Then create kube directory by typing mkdir space -p space .kube. This command creates the .kube directory in your home folder, which is the standard location for Kubernetes configuration files.
Then copy the K3s configuration file, which is located in etc directory, to the standard Kubernetes config location, which we created before. Then change the ownership of the config file from root to your current user. Then replace the localhost IP address in the kube config file with a Rancher server IP. Then downloads the Helm 3 installation script from the official Helm GitHub repository. Then set owner permissions for the gethelm.sh script. Then execute the Helm installation script that you downloaded, then wait for the installation to complete.
Then add the latest Rancher Helm repository to your local Helm client.
Then add the JetStack Helm repository to your local Helm client. JetStack is the company behind Cert Manager, the popular Kubernetes certificate management tool. Then run command helm repo update. This command downloads the latest chart information from remote repositories to ensure you have current metadata about available charts and versions. Rancher Helm repository and JetStack Helm repository. Then create a namespace. The namespace is a logical boundary or partition within your Kubernetes cluster, and name it as cattle-system. This specific name is often used by Rancher, a Kubernetes management platform. Then creates a dedicated Kubernetes namespace called Cert Manager for isolating Cert Manager, a popular Kubernetes certificate management controller. Then install Cert Manager for TLS certificates as below. Helm install Cert Manager JetStack /Cert Manager /. Then press Enter. Then type this command: namespace Cert Manager, create namespace, version v1.11.0, set install CRDs equals true, and wait until installation finish. Then install Rancher by using this command: helm install Rancher, Rancher latest /Rancher, namespace cattle-system, set hostname equals 10.1.22.150.nip.io, set bootstrap password equals admin123, set replicas equals 1, set ingress.tls.source equals Rancher. Then wait for installation finish. Then check Rancher deployment status by run command kubectl-n cattle/system rollout status deploy/Rancher. Now we success deployed Rancher server. We tried to access it from URL as below. Type the IP of Rancher server and hit Enter. Then type the password for admin user. Now you see the control panel of Rancher and the local cluster. Now if you go to Nodes, you will see only this server, Rancher server, and role as control plan. The next step is to add nodes to this cluster by joining it by use curl-sfl get.k3s.io/k3s_URL equals https://rancher server IP with port 6443 k3s_token equals mysecret sh. And remember that this command must run on Rancher nodes only. In our case, we are using Rancher Node 1, Rancher Node 2, and Rancher Node 3. Now we success add Rancher Node 1 to local cluster and role as worker, and do the same for the other two nodes. Thanks for watching Deploying Rancher Server. In the next video, I will show you how to deploy a web app on Rancher nodes and test the failover. See you soon.